we show you how to texture milk. Texturing milk is about control, timing, and feel. Done right, it creates a silky, glossy texture that lifts every coffee on your menu. Start by purging the steam wand. This clears out any residual water and gets you ready to steam. Place the tip of the wand just under the surface of the milk in one quadrant of the jug. This position helps create that smooth, spinning vortex. Pull down and lock the lever in place. Keep one hand on the handle and the other on the jug to feel the temperature. While the steam is stretching the milk, you'll hear this sound. Once you've stretched enough air and the milk has risen 20%, or you feel warmth through the jug, raise the jug slightly so the wand tip submerges. This warms the milk and evens out the texture. You'll start to see the milk becoming smooth and silky with a glossy finish. When the jug feels too hot to hold, remove your hand and continue steaming for 2 more seconds. Then turn off the steam, clean the wand, and purge straight away. That's it, smooth, creamy, and ready to pour. If there's anything we can help with, let us know. And if you're ever nearby, drop in and say hi. We'd love to see you.